दार्जिलिंग जिला शासिका जयश्री दास गुप्ता ने बताया कि कुल 1413 पोलिंग बूथों में शाम 6:30 बजे तक कुल वोटिंग प्रतिशत 72.3% रहा। उन्होंने बताया कि आगे भी मतदान कर्मियों द्वारा प्रतिशत की गिनती की जा रही है। उन्होंने बताया कि इस जिले में कुल 11 ईवीएम मशीन खराब हुए तथा 11 वीवीपैट मशीन भी खराब हुए। साथ ही उन्होंने कहा कि विशेष तौर पर कोई शिकायत उनके यहाँ दर्ज नहीं हुई है।
District, not for the PC. 1413 polling booths. At 6:30 p.m., 934 have reported completion of poll. The others also mostly voting has been completed. Not all have reported yet.
Yes.
So up till 6:30 p.m., voting was around 72.3%. Likely to increase as our reports are being collected. During the mock poll,
Yes.
Out of 1413 polling stations, EVM defect was 11 and VVPAT defect was also 11.
These were
During mock poll, and during polling there were some defects. We are still in the process of compiling.
That could be around. That could be around.
Difficult to say.
Difficult
Not
to
very high, very microscopic amount.
And what about the complaints that you've been having? Because
Complaint
there is.
to flood of them.
No, do you have a complaint from the BJP candidate Raju Bist? This is regarding.
Actually, nothing specific.
He said rigging, like mass
Yes,
rigging in.
rigging, but we have sent our teams, but they could, sector teams went, CAPF also present in most booths, they could not substantiate the complaints.
Due to the EVM being spoiled, has the time been extended in those booths, ma'am?
No,
Nothing of this
there
sort,
was
no?
no problem.
No problem.
There was no problem.
Peacefully
Everywhere the
completed,
law
yeah.
and order was maintained.
Yeah.
Everything was perfectly fine.
I'm getting this person here's complaints some, I know. Every hour he's sending 15-20 complaints and no specific complaint actually. It's just like rigging is going on. No?
Okay. We don't have any specific complaints besides Raju Bist.
Others, though, I have not got any complaint from anybody else today. One complaint I got in SMC that regarding distribution of photo voter slip with by the party with the candidate's photo.
Yes, sir.
But that we got in touch with them later. That was taken care of.
That was taken care of.
Ma'am, this 72.3 is only Darjeeling district, no? Not
Only
Kalimpong,
Darjeeling.
not
And this will
Kalimpong and Chopra.
increase. It's actually we are still compiling the data. 72 it is going up. I would guess it will come up to 76.
By the time of the whole thing.
Ma'am, can we get the final from like after?
I'll give it to DICO sir, but final it will take I think till night because polling parties are just starting.
But that'll include Chopra and Kalimpong also, no?
Chopra Kalimpong tomorrow. Chopra will report to Shiliguri by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Between 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.
But we could get a cumulative of Kalimpong also, no?
Kalimpong I'll try.
Kalimpong and
I'll
Darjeeling.
try. Kalimpong Darjeeling same place, but Chopra collection will take a little time. We'll provide it. But late हो जाएगा. Vote later.
Apollo Clinic, expertise closer to you. Apollo Clinic, now in Siliguri. Services offered: doctor consultation, all kind of blood tests, USG, echocardiography, TMT and PFT, including Apollo Dental Clinic. Apollo Clinic, Golden Enclave, near Don Bosco More, Sevok Road, 2nd mile, Siliguri. Mobile number 8900293111.